Hello everyone, I am Ashish Pokhrel representing my team in our research on usability of LMS. COVID-19 has been harsh for us, greatly affecting our day-to-day lifestyle and urged us to shift to online mode. But most of us had some problems with it, so we aim to provide a prototype of learning management system that fulfills all our needs. That is why we research on usability of LMS. Let's go through it. Every person nowadays uses LMS platform in their life. During these pandemics, we look over various LMS like Blackboard, Moodle, Canvas, Google Classroom, Microsoft Team and the problems users have been facing from them. Talking about Canvas, its dashboard is messy. Blackboard is simply difficult to navigate. Moodle's UI is unengaging. Microsoft Team has glitches which shows older messages, and Google Classroom doesn't have integrated chat and video conference system. To gather the information about usability of LMS, we performed a survey among the authentic users of LMS and collected related data. From 74 responses of ours, we came to know that they preferred pop-up over dedicated web page. They want instructor and courses ratings. They are unhappy with finding and visiting the links daily, and they want a single and well-managed page for assignment portal, video conference and resource materials. After conducting the survey, we sketched a paper prototype based on the survey. We tested our paper prototype with 20 different users and asked them about their views regarding the paper prototype. They provided different feedback and suggestions, and after implementing them, we finalized our paper prototype and built our first UI based on it. After the completion of the UI, we somehow got the skeleton of our project. We tested our implemented UI to the users. We got some terrific feedback from the users. Some of them suggested to improve the design portion and others addressed to consider the problems like lacking of feedback and some technical glitches. We tried our best to address the problems issued by various users. However, to make design flawless as far as possible, we applied Snyderman's 8 golden rule principle in our LMS. We have implemented consistency in UI, added some shortcut features, provided users required feedback, maintained usability of the system, and now users can undo their action, making our design more helpful. Similarly, we have also implemented Normal's principle in our design. We have intuitive icons and buttons maintaining consistency. We have mapping and constraint used in our design. We have address visibility, and finally our UI was ready. After applying Snyderman and Norman's principle, our design became more functional, more user-friendly and appealing to the audience size. Now our design was ready, and to test it further, we opted for heuristic evaluation, which will test the universality and user experience of our design. We requested some of our colleagues for the heuristic evaluation of our LMS. We evaluated our project among 20 different colleagues. They were kind enough to point out our mistakes. They gave us proper feedback, with the help of which we configured our mistakes. We came to know that our design lacked some key heuristic principles, some improvements that were made were progress bar in downloading assignments, users being able to edit submitted files, use of consistent fonts, and proper message feedback in assignment portal. Our end target was to make an LMS that addresses the problems of all the users. For that, we applied for an expert review. We reached out to HCI experts and experts who have designed LMS previously to get their review. They inspected our LMS in great depth and approved it finally, and our minimal viable product was ready. In the coming decades, people will move towards virtual world, and they will require an LMS on which they can depend absolutely. For this, we have carried out proper usability testing. We believe we have developed a perfect prototype of LMS for all the students ranging from high school to university. That's all. Thank you.